subscribers. I am just here
What up?
today and I'm giving you guys a ganja.
All right, fine. Thanksgiving listening party starts at 8. Depending on how loud it is, I might be in this room or in my room. I don't know how turned they're gonna be downstairs. So depending on that. Wait, nah, nigga, there's football starting, so we're gonna have to change the time. Oh, I'm tripping. Uh, let's push it back to like 10, like 11. Make it 11. We're gonna start it at 11. We're gonna change it to 11. Thanksgiving the party is now at 11. $5 get your music played. If you're interested, let me know. If I don't get, see, I pushed it back for you. If I don't hear nothing by 8 o'clock, I'm canceling. Okay, and you already know the monthly goal. I mean, you already know the goal. It's $1,000 in a day, in one day, and then the goal will go from there. But the ultimate goal is to get paid by the streams. And when we get that, we won't be worrying about donations too much, but we will always take donations. But let's get into the video.
Jamaican ganja farm tour. So please remember, if this is your first time to my channel, please consider liking this video. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. And if you guys could share this video for me, I would greatly appreciate it so much. So I am just going to show you guys, so keep watching.
Wow.
So the wind is actually very strong, my viewers, but I want to actually just give you guys some close-up view on some of these beautiful colors right here. So it is actually quite a lot of them, my viewers, as you guys can see, but I'm just going through and show you guys some specific one maybe, because it is actually quite a lot and the video is going to be too long. So it is two sections of them, my viewers. Some of them is older, that is actually developing buds more than some, and I am going to take you guys to another section so you guys can see as well. And I want you guys to leave it down below in the comment section and let me know which field do you guys like the most, if it is the first one or the second field. So keep watching. The sun is actually coming out on them because it was actually raining a lot. Whoa, wrong way, my viewers. So I'm going to come this way where I can get the light from the sun. So right here you guys can see. So that's the first field right there. And they are moving on to the second field. So this is the second field right here, my viewers. It is not far away, but as you guys can see, these ones are budding up a lot. Right here as well. Look how beautiful. Very beautiful, my viewers. And over there is some actually younger plants that just flipped the flower like a couple weeks ago. Coming right along over here. So I'm going to show you guys a beautiful one down here. Right here you guys can see. Look how beautiful. And this is a purple skunk.
Oh, good.
Right there, looking so beautiful. So I want to say to you guys, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Please remember, like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. One love.